Hey everyone, and today I'll show you guys how to downgrade the iPhone 5 and iPad 4 to iOS 6, 7, 8, and 9 today. So let's get started. We're just going to need Legacy Kit here. Link in description. I'll also leave the link to the IPSWs in description as well. Go to the Legacy Kit folder on the desktop or downloads. Now we'll go to Terminal. Go ahead and connect your device. Click Trust. We're going to go ahead and drag the restore.sh file into Terminal. If it asks you to, go ahead and do both the command line tools and updates. Click Return. All right, we're going to click Restore and Downgrade. Now we've got a few options here. iOS 8.4.1, Powder Snow with blobs for iOS 7, SHSH blob, and tethered. For iOS 8 users, anyone watching this video in the far distant future when iOS 8 is not being signed anymore, you'll use the tethered option. I'll be using the tethered option. Going to select the target IPSW, the 6.0.1. We're going to click Start Restore. For jailbreak, I'm going to select No. Click No for memory option. We're now going to send the phone into recovery mode. We're going to select Yes for DFU helper. Hold the power and home until it turns off. Release the power and keep holding the home button. And now it's going to start creating the custom IPSW for this downgrade. Now leave the phone connected for the entire process. There we go. What we want to see here is waiting for NAND. Now this process will begin. It should now be in recovery mode. We're going to press the up arrow key to run the script again. Now just select Just Boot. Select the IPSW. Just Boot. Hold the home and power until it turns off. Release the power and keep holding the home button. There we go. The phone is now booting up. There we go. My phone has now booted up. But if you guys downgraded to versions 6.0 through 7.0.6 and all versions of iOS 9, you will have to activate through iTunes or Finder. All right, activating. If we get no SIM card installed, then the activation was successful. My phone is now running iOS 6.0.1. In order to fix Siri on iOS 6, we're going to go to Safari and go to tlsroot.litten.ca. We're going to click Signed iOS Bundle. Install this. And that's it. What's my iOS version?
You're running iOS version 6.0.1.
Just like that. That is how you downgrade the iPhone 5 and iPad 4 to iOS 6, 7, 8, and 9 today. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you next video. Peace out.